Welcome to Hiroshi, the Japanese-style restaurant located in Garza Blanca Resort in Cancun, Mexico, where we recently stayed at this all-inclusive resort, which features 5 main dining venues: Bocados, Blanca Blue, Dao, Hiroshi, and the main dining room. And this is not including the additional places around the resort where you can grab snacks, quick bites, or more casual meals throughout the day. It's also important to note that Hiroshi requires a reservation, and it can be really difficult to get one once you're at the resort, so make sure that you book this ahead of time. You'll want to make your reservation online, and when you do, you won't have a room number yet, so just leave that field blank, and in the notes section, leave a note that says you have a confirmed stay at the resort. Now, follow along as I share our thoughts, the good and the bad, based on our experience at this restaurant. We started out with the tea, which was honestly pretty bland, not a lot of flavor. I also tried sashimi for the first time, and I really don't have anything to compare it to as I've never had it, but it was okay. We also had the dumplings and the tempura, and they were okay, but definitely on the bland side. And just to clarify, when I say bland in this review, I don't mean lacking spice or heat, I just mean that the food didn't have a lot of flavor. My husband ordered the steak, and it wasn't bad, but it wasn't really good either. And out of all the steaks we had during our stay, this one came in next to last on our list of favorites. Our son had the shoyu ramen, and he had really been looking forward to this because he's a big fan of what he calls fancy ramen. And he was disappointed because we've had different versions of ramen in the States, and what we have tried has had a lot more flavor and spice. So maybe this was a more traditional version and we're just not used to that. But again, for us, this just came across as bland. I had the salmon, and it was actually really good, and it was my favorite thing out of the entire dinner. And then for dessert, we had a trilogy, which was okay. The creme brulee was actually pretty good, and then the coconut cake, which I know coconut's not generally a strong flavor, but again, it didn't have a lot of taste. This was our experience with this restaurant, and overall the food leaned toward the bland side for us, but that being said, the service was excellent. I should say that everybody's tastes are a little different, and you may find that you really like this restaurant, so I recommend trying it along with all of the other restaurants at this resort so you know which ones you like and you can go back to those again. If you'd like to know more about booking this all-inclusive resort or planning your own trip to Cancun, click the link in the comments below to get started.